We all know a veteran. But looking at many veterans, you wouldn't even know they served. Someone who works for or comes in contact with your organization could have served during Vietnam and may have been exposed to airborne hazards, such as Agent Orange, or flown humanitarian missions to Africa, or served either in Iraq, Afghanistan, or both, or rebuilt bridges in Bosnia, or did search and rescue on the Great Lakes. Not every veteran connects with the benefits they've earned, but employers, educators, colleagues, community leaders, and neighbors can serve our veterans by becoming Veteran Connectors. The Michigan Veteran Connector program was created by the Michigan Veterans Affairs Agency to provide businesses, healthcare institutions, schools, and community leaders who may interact with military-connected people or veterans on a daily basis with the knowledge and resource information for benefits. Veteran Connectors serve an important role by connecting with veterans in the places they work, learn, and live. Using information provided in our Veteran Connector toolkits, you'll be better prepared to identify those who have served, and you can play a crucial role in providing them with information to help them access benefits. Benefits that can help with education, employment, housing, finances, and healthcare. Various federal, state, and local benefits exist and are available to veterans, many of which are not well known in the veteran community. In fact, when a veteran is connected to benefits, it can support their overall mental outlook and improve quality of life, both of which help decrease the risk of suicide. Early identification of veterans allows for referrals to be made proactively prior to a crisis. And it creates a veteran-friendly organization, which builds trust and comfort among former service members. Our veterans have done so much for each of us, defending our country, protecting our allies and interests, and serving the American people. Now is your chance to do something important for them. Becoming a Veteran Connector symbolizes an organization's commitment to proactively support and connect service members, veterans, and their families to earn benefits. Learn more at Michigan.gov/VeteranConnector.